Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. I got this package during the week and I wanted to unbox it with you guys so we can see what we have here together. What we have here is Adidas Samba's Wales BONNER collaboration in cream. So let's get right to the unboxing and let's see what we have here. So this is how the box came. As you can see, it's pretty clean. Not so much damage. It's just okay. We have the Wales BONNER written right here. Yeah. And whatever. Pointing now SAMBA. I don't know, but white, brown, whatever colors, and all those infos are in the box. So we're just gonna go right just to unveiling this right now. Hey, let me tell you something, guys. I'm not gonna lie, but each time I get these packages, one of the things that interests me the most is usually the socks that comes with it, right? Because I love a free pair of socks so much because sometimes I just get to use these socks for the gym or whatnot, not to go anywhere serious, but you know. So I love me a free pair of socks. So let's look at this together. So like I said, we get a free pair of socks. Yeah, very nice quality as well. I've got few of this already because they keep coming with my packages. So, and for the shoe, somehow I'm a bit tired of this model, this Wales BONNER design, because of the tongue issues. They keep flapping up and whatnot. So it's a pretty concept, I won't lie, but it stresses me a lot. So but I guess this can be fixed. Yeah. So we're just gonna take both feet out and we'll look at them very closely. We have an extra shoelace, a white extra shoelace, and that's it in the box. So on the first pair, as you can see, on one foot, yeah, this is what it looks like. We have the hairy detail. Yeah, I like this. I like the color combination of the, I think we actually this looks burgundy or wine in color. I don't know what is one of the difference. I think this is close to burgundy than wine. I don't know if I'm wrong. Correct me. So we have this right here, like this. This one is a bit messing up with me, but I'm gonna get it done. Then, as you can see inside, we have, yeah, we have the ADDIDAS, the brand with the three stripes, whatever written in there. And yeah, here we have in there, we have the size tag and whatnot. We have Adidas Wales BONNER right here. Yeah. So it's actually mix of materials. As you can see, like we've got some leather type of material here and got like a hairy type of material right here and whatnot. And at the back we have Adidas written here as well. Same thing on the other foot. Yeah, everything we talked about in the first one. So this is exactly how it goes. And as you can see, both feet looks really identical. I really like this one. It's pretty. So let's quickly have a closer look of this why we also see this on food.